In this video, I will demonstrate how to install DriveStrike under the Enterprise Management mode on a corporate-owned Android device. To begin the installation, you will need a factory reset device. Start by setting up the device as usual by following the prompts. If your device has a SIM card ready to be activated, connect to your mobile network or skip to continue through Wi-Fi. For this demonstration, I will use a Wi-Fi connection since this Android device does not have an active SIM card. Either way, you must have internet access before you proceed setting up the device, as DriveStrike will be downloaded and installed halfway through the setup process. Once connected to a network, the device will check for updates. After the update is complete, you will be prompted to sign into a Google account. At this point, you will type AFW hash setup. Tap Next to continue, and you will have triggered the Android Enterprise mode for DriveStrike. Tap Accept and Continue when prompted to set up your work device. The phone will display different information screens, including a confirmation notice stating device administration mode is enabled, and a privacy notice that clearly states the phone is not private. Essentially, under the Enterprise Management mode, DriveStrike administrators can see all data and activity on the device. Continue the phone setup process by following the prompts. As a DriveStrike administrator, you will have already set up all of your security policies and authorized any web and private apps allowed to be used on the device. Once the setup process completes, allow the use of the camera to scan the QR code within the DriveStrike account located on the Install page under the Enterprise option. From there, you can select the appropriate registration email address for the device. The device will automatically inherit the policies and application configuration set for the group the email belongs to. Depending on your pre-established security policies, a second notification may appear telling you that a new password is required because the phone doesn't comply with the required security standards set by the DriveStrike administrator. For this demonstration, I have preset my DriveStrike security policy to require at least a 6-digit PIN. As you may know, the factory default for a smartphone is 4 digits, so we must change our password. And now we just have to establish a biometric way to get into the device. You can also disable biometrics as part of your security policy if you wish to do so. At this point, the device is fully registered and completely set up. You can start pushing applications to the device as well as specific user parameters, domain requirements, etc. If you go into the Google Play Store, you will see the web and private apps you pre-approved to be available, including any private apps that were built and uploaded by your organization. Once the phone becomes accessible, make sure to turn off battery optimization by going into Settings and finding the Apps section. Select the DriveStrike Agent application, followed by the battery settings, and select Optimize Battery Usage. If you have any questions about the installation process or management of a device under the Android Enterprise mode, give us a call at 877-519-0010 or send us an email at support@drivestrike.com.